Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am raviyaparveen. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can improve your English speaking skills. There are many ways to improve communication skills, and we all want to develop communication skills, right? That's why you are watching this video. We all want to grow, and everyone's journey is completely different. We all know that there is no perfect way to improve communication skills. I believe that if someone practices in a positive and encouraging environment, then it will be a simple process and you can get rapid growth. In reality, what happens when we start speaking English, most people around us laugh at us. If we make mistakes while speaking, they criticize. As a result, we feel insulted and dumped. Sometimes we stop ourselves from speaking in English. There was a time when I used to feel like dumb, and no matter how hard I tried, I still made mistakes. But I didn't give up and I joined Toastmasters International. When I joined Toastmasters, I realized that it's okay to make mistakes because it's a process. In the beginning, you will make mistakes. As you speak more and more, your mistakes will reduce day by day. I know what you are thinking. How can we practice? First of all, I would like to say find your purpose to learn English. Why you want to learn English? Because purpose is something that you motivated. Once you find a purpose, then find the content that you really interested in. It could be any article, podcast, story, or any episode or movie. Listen and read at least 15 to 20 minutes. After listening, speak out loud for 5 minutes about what you have just listened to. First of all, set a goal of speaking with a deadline. Like I set for myself 5 minutes daily for 30 days. If you speak 5 minutes daily without fail in 1 month, it will be around 150 minutes. That's right. In the beginning, speak up for 5 minutes is difficult because we usually forget what we just listened to. So I am going to give you a practical solution which I used when I practice speaking. Number 1, start with couple of sentences describing what the story is all about. Second, discuss what you particularly like about the story. Number 3, mention anything you dislike about the story. Summarize it in your own words. Once you finish 5 minutes speaking, tap on your shoulder. Yes, I did it. Max Johnwell says, the communication work for those who work at it. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, enjoy learning.